And thank you. Oh, wow. This is it. Hello.
Hello.
Swadika.
If you want to go to the rooftop, you can use the escalator.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, wow. It's beautiful here. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful here.
It's wonderful.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Yes, it's so fantastic.
Some people like to come here by nighttime so they can see the sky night.
The view.
Beautiful view. Ito po mga ka-red, ang aking innocent darling. Ano nakikita mo, mahal?
Kikita ko maraming building.
Building o building?
Building.
Kasi nga.
Meron naka...
Guess where are we? We are in Manhattan, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, come
Sky
here.
bar.
We will go to
Or skywalk.
rooftop.
To the rooftop. It's a glass floor.
Yes, it's really
And
beautiful.
you can see the view 360 degrees.
Like that one. You can go up. That is the exit. No. Here. Napaka wow. Very nice. Nice. Tingnan nyo po, andito po kami sa taas. Tingnan nyo sa baba. Ayan po ang baba. We are here. Okay, akyat po tayo sa taas. Now, where are we going, my dear?
The glass floor. We are in Skywalk Tower. In Pink Tower. Ano ba yan? It's actually a Pink Tower Center.
Okay.
Where are we now? I don't know.
We will go. Ano daw?
I don't know.
Okay, just cover on up there.
The shoes.
We have to cover our shoes.
Okay.
Because it's made of glass. We're the only one here. Actually, two. We are the only two here.
So very beautiful here. It's gorgeous.
There are plants here. Little garden.
Where? What?
A little garden though. And we're almost there. Kami lang po ang nandito, puro stop na yun. So we have to use this one. We have to use this.
Sawadika. Oh, what
So
a beautiful.
That's why we're the only one here.
Are we
Oh,
on?
there's a bar here. Where's the skywalk?
Please.
Maybe here.
Yes. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Wow, ang init. Ito pala yun, mahal.
Where can we?
Doon. Susuot mo to.
Tingnan natin kung maganda. Hawakan mo.
ลูกค้าสอบถามไม่ได้สอบถามได้เลยค่ะเดี๋ยวกระเป๋าสัมภาระทุกคนวางไว้ด้านนอกนะคะแล้วข้างในถึงกระจกเราไม่อนุญาตให้ใช้โทรศัพท์นะคะ food pesan Krit.
On the glass, don't use mobile phone like camera. If you want to take a picture, you can stand outside.
Okay.
Oh. Ano lang tayo? Ako mauna. Sunod ka.
Alang init. Dapat pala gabi na tayo pumunta.
You can take the mask off.
Ooh. Outside. I can't see. Wow. Scary. How's it feel? How does it feels like? Jumping. You take a pose now. Sit down. Wag ganyan, mukha ka naman tumatay. Napakainit po, katanghalian. Alas, what time is it? 2:22.
I don't know how I feel. I'm so nervous. Look and
It's so really hot. Oh my gosh.
Usog ka dito.
Are you taking picture?
Usog ka dito.
More on picture? Okay. Count.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
One more. So hot.
1, 2. Okay. Ayan po, napaka ano talaga.
Over there.
One, 2, 3.
Back.
1, 2, 3.
Tayo ako, mahal. Tayo ako.
No, do not daw. Bawal dyan. Only at the glass.
Okay.
1, 2. Sakay now. Sakay now. Kakatakot.
One more. Maybe here.
Di nga pwede daw magano nga.
Pwede. Lahat na lang hindi pwede.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Usog ka dito para makita yung ilalim. 1,
Dali lang.
1, 2. Okay. Yan po. So very hot.
This is our adult observatory and rooftop ticket. So we are here in Mahanakhon Skywalk. If you're an adult, you will pay 530, but if you're a senior citizen in Thai, you only pay 250, around 200.
That is the the place, the Bangkok place. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, Rina? Ano yun sa taas doon? Sa pinakataas. Napakaganda po sa ibabaw ng Bangkok. Okay, salamat. Mamaya bababaw na po kami. Bye bye.
It's like 12.
Hello mga kareda. We will go down na.
Midday.
Napakainit na po dito sa taas. So very hot here.
Where's
So,
my mask?
I don't know. Take your mask. Okay, let's go now. Okay.
I'm so thirsty.
Ayan po. We're going down now.
Bye-bye.
Where are you?
We're
Exit? This is the exit?
going to go down. Go back now. Now, right now.
Because
Can you show the bartender?
okay, that is the bar. Yan po. Kung may mga mainom pala dito, pwede kang bumili. And then, sulit naman yung pag pumunta ka rito. Sulit na sulit.
Parang gusto namin bumalik dito.
Yes.
Night time. Would you like to wait for the elevator to walk down?
It's okay here?
We're going to walk down the staircase.
Dito lang tayo.
Feel free to walk out.
Okay. Okay, bababa na po kami.
But I want a picture for the staircase.
You want
I
to
want some picture. We go there.
Okay, saan tayo napupunta? Uwi na tayo? We're going home.
Going back, but we're going to take stairs instead, so we can experience. Look. Wow, there's a little garden. I think it's what do you call this? A small coffee bar or something. See?
Tea bar.
Rich people.
It's for rich people.
Rich kids. Anak mo mayayaman.
Po.
Malapit lang naman pala.
Nandun pa sa baba. Nandun pa sa baba. Hindi dyan.
We're here now.
No! Here!
Where are we going?
Downstairs!
One more. One more. Still going down. Go down. Down, down, down. Wow. Can you imagine a tree out of butterfly? It's a magical land.
What are you...
It's a magical land. This way.
This way daw.
I'm looking.
Oh,
There are lots of people.
it's beautiful.
Usually there are lots of people in the
Maganda.
midnight.
Exit right.
Are we going home now? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, wait para late sa moment eh.
Okay.
Hello, maganda siya ng hapon. Kung alasing mo sana tayo.
Balik na lang tayo next.
Wala nang next time. Mahal na.
Huwag mo lang ha.
Hello, thank you.
Hindi man tayo makaano. Wala nang
Andito na po kami. Kami po ay
Ang elevator
uuwi
na.
na.
Bangkok Skyward here in Mahanako.
Wow! Wow! Parang nandito tayo sa
Swimming in the aquarium.
who's that?
We're here in the aquarium. There's a beluga.
There's Millifish.
There's a whale.
Oh!
It seems like you're in a planetarium. But it's actually an elevator. Planetarium with 360 degrees.
We're here na. Papunta.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Ah, it's so beautiful. Oh, I want to come back here. I want to come back here.
Pakita mo yung mga ano naman. Doon tayo sa walang tao.
Beautiful.
So beautiful. Wonderful. So nice. Calvin
Like
Oh,
your,
plain.
like your
like
watch.
9
Yes.
with a different brand.
Yes.
We have Hamilton.
Wow. Hamilton.
Hamilton,
Oh,
Swiss made.
Wow.
Mido or Mido, whatever.
Milo.
And Swiss made.
There's so many.
Also Swiss made. Oh no, it's a Tissot.
Boy,
I don't know. Balmy and Mercier.
long jeans.
Long jeans.
Okay, let's go.
Black.
Where are we going?
And wine. Wine here.
Where are we?
We have wine.
Oh, there's wine. And then,
Have different kinds of bags for traveling
okay,
and
then we will
And there's a
go down.
wine counter.
Ah, so,
We didn't see this when we go up. Before we go up.
because we have to go exit.
And we have all the branded products here.
Yes, we have.
Fancy.
We have the expensive products here. We'll go down and go down. Okay. Let's go. Wow.
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful. Wonderfully made. Sana tayo. Where are we now?
I don't know.
Okay.
How are we going to go up?
Here. Wow, puro pabango. So expensive. So cheap. Cheap. So cheap.
Just kidding.
Agua de Gio.
Our money. I don't know how to pronounce
The best.
Yves Saint
Saint
Laurent.
Laurent. King Power. We're now going out. What time is it? Rina, what time is it? Where are we going? Thank you.
Uwi na po kami.
Diyan tayo dumaan pala. Bumaba, tapos ganyan. Bumaba dahil. Because, doon tayo dumaan sa kabila. They have the expensive all the expensive, over expensive.
Super cheap brands.
Yes.
But we have Thai products now. Here. Local products. Where are we going?
We are going home. Ah, this is the way.
Yeah.
The way so
Before we go on. What's in here?
I don't know.
Oh, it's Mahanakon Skyrise.
Ah, you can ride in here. How much is that one?
Don't bother. Don't have money.
Kupon ka.
Like this, mahal. It's like you're riding in a parachute.
Hasip.
Ha?
Hasip 50.
Song Roy has it. Anong Roy? 40 person?
Sakay ka?
Ikaw. Ikaw na
Sakay.
lang.
Sakay ka. Sige, sakay ako. Tingnan ko. Sakay ako.
150 nga for 2. Ihingo na ako. Tayong dalawa.
Ah. Yes, that is the ticket. Okay, bye-bye.